Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Eliza from Hamilton and Dress to Impress, one of the Schuyler sisters. In honor of their 10-year anniversary, my friend actually introduced me to Hamilton and I am in love with the musical. Not the biggest, not like as big as of a fan as her, that's what I'm trying to say, but I still love it. Let's get started with the video. Not a lot that I'm wearing right now, so I'm just going to remove the outfit except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. I know the back looks weird, but we don't focus on that. Select this hair and color it this brown and toggle it to the long toggle, and then select this hair and the same brown. Position the Z at 0.66 and rotate the X to 0.63, the Y 0.55, and Z 0.49. For the outfit, you do need a Roblox item for this, but you can replace it with the witch skirt or the one in the cultural area. Select this top and color it this in silk, and then that again in silk, and then this kind of just make it a little bit darker, color the lace white, and then blue again. Then grab this one, grab the sleeves in that same color in silk, and then make the lace part white. For the skirt, I'm going to be using this item in this color, the same color, in the toggle non-see-through. And then for the other part of the sleeves, I use this one in only sleeves in that same blue and white color. And then I added this dress from VIP for more volume in the hip area, because there's kind of a volume here. I can't find the exact same thing in Dress to Impress, of course, but I did my best, you know. And that is it. It's as simple as that. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!